it's Amber with Ambootique. Thank you so much for joining us today. I just wanted to jump on here really quickly. I will try to make this short and sweet because I wanted to give you a little insight to what I'm working on. I have big plans for DIY kits. The idea behind this is that it's not pre-assembled. You will get every piece individually. So what does that mean for you? It means not having to worry about painting the background of something with something already layered and then trying to not be messy with it. But not only that, it gets to be yours. You get to use your creativity, your ideas, and it's just a lot of fun. It's stress-free. It's very simple, very easy. I promise you, you will know where every piece needs to go. No hassle, no nothing. Just you and your imagination and your paints and your glue. Okay. So just to give you a little idea of what I have so far to offer, I have 2 shelf sitters at the moment, technically 3. I just don't have the other one. I gifted it, but it will be available on Ambootique website. So we're in fall. Right now we're in October. I started working on all of this stuff in maybe the second week of September. So shelf sitters for fall. So we have the crow pumpkin. I haven't quite come up with a name for it yet, but we'll get there. But you will get this as, this will be a set. And each piece that you can see here, if I turn it that way, you'll see that there are individual pieces, right? So everything is now glued and assembled. These will all be separated. So you will need to assemble this when you're finished painting. We also have Halloween because, well, we're in October. Again, started these in September, but we're trying to build the inventory for everything. But so you can see it's plain bare wood, okay? It will be pre-sanded for you. You don't need to worry about anything like that. But how cute is this? It's so super, super cute. I love this one so, so much. Again, it's individual pieces. I don't know if you can see it, but it slides in. It's so cute. So, so cute. I love this one a lot. We have some door hangers, and here in a few seconds, I'm going to finish showing you the last 2 things, and then I'm actually actively working on a Christmas one, and I want you to see how this would show up to your doorstep or when you purchase it, and if you're local coming to pick it up. This is how it's going to come to you. But let's first get through what else I have. So like I said, we're still in the fall months, but door rounds. Who doesn't want to make their own door round? And how cute is this? Ready for the burr months. I don't know about you. I used to love summer, and as I've gotten older, not so much. It's way too hot. I'm ready for it to be a little chilly and cozy. I want to sit out by a fire and enjoy myself. How sweet is that? A little spider crawling on our burr months door hanger. This was actually hanging on my front door, and I went and grabbed it so I could show it to you. Okay, and then I have this other one that I actually hang up in my craft room window. Well, not that I hang it up all the time. I just hung it up there. Yeah, there we go. But we created this one. Again, individual pieces. You will be able to lay these out, paint them, and then assemble them on your own. Less mess. Don't have to be tedious. I want you to be able to sit, relax, paint at your own leisure, and have fun with these. But that is so super cute. I love how this one turned out. And I love that you can be as creative as you want to be. And being a crafter, I love it so much when other people tell me about crafts that they're doing. Sometimes it sparks your imagination and you want to get right in there and craft right along with them. So anyway, I am going to pause here, change my camera position, and we will show you what we're working on.
Okay guys, so here's what I'm working on. Here's our Christmas home for the holidays. I know that the way that you see it right now, it doesn't say home for the holidays, but just this is how everything is laid out so that I can start painting on it. And really just wanting you to see this is how it's going to arrive to you. It's not going to arrive to you laid out just like this, but the individual pieces. I think it's going to be so much easier to paint, way less messy, just spread out. I've got it spread out here on my little painter's plastic. You can use daubers, and yes, mine are a little dirty. I wash them out after I use them until I just can't anymore. But use acrylic paints, use chalk paint, use paint markers, watercolors if you want to. You are not limited to what you can do with this. But here it is. This is each one of these that I showed you prior is going to come just like this. Everything individually cut out and ready for you to get crafting and get creative. And I am so very, very excited to offer this to you from Ambootique. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.